It is harvest time on the ranch. We're picking all the pears today. Now pears have to be picked before they are ripe because they ripen from the inside out on a tree. So when you pick them, you let them sit for about a week. They ripen from the outside in so that they are going to be ripe and yummy. Otherwise they'll be rotten by the time you get to them on a tree. So anyway, here's our apple tree that we were picking on earlier, and it is done. It is so done. There's just nothing hardly at all on it anymore. But we've got other apple trees that are harvesting a little bit later, and we'll be picking them as well.
Well, since pears don't ripen on the tree, how do you know when they're ripe? Well, it's basically the shape of the pear. If you see that they're full grown, the time of year, you know that it's about the right time. And then the other thing is when you grab it, it should just snap right loose from the limb. These are some really nice pears here, clear up at the top. We're using our little tractor to lift me up here to get them down.
Well, here's all of our pears. Some of them are pretty small. You know, we've got a few small ones, but they popped off. And then there's these big, beautiful ones here. Some of these are pretty big. We're just really blessed to have all these pears, and they'll can up just fine and dry just fine. We'll just let them get mature now.